Okay.
So if we're looking at this, right, so arc length, just imagine arc length being like the distance around the outside. So if it says the length, the L there is for length, and then A and C is going to tell me what arc we're talking about. So for your instance, like think about the circle in the middle of a soccer field. It would ask you, like, if you started at one point on that circle, how many steps would it take you to get around to a different point on the circle? So it's part of the circumference.
Okay.
And so all you need to do is you need to find what the circumference is, which remember is 2 pi r. So in this case, it would be 8 pi, right? Because r was 4. And then find the measure. So the one thing you can do is, like, if we think about it, again, if you came in like this, that the angle and the measure, the central angle and the measure are the same thing. So 95 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
And then the way we find the length is we're going to do the length of whatever arc. And we don't do that, we do the arc of AC is going to be the degree, so 95 over 360. And the reason we do over 360 because 360 is the whole thing, right?
Right.
And then because it's part of arc length is just part of the circumference, we're just going to multiply that by whatever circumference we found.
Okay.
So then you would just put that in your calculator and you would literally just do 95 divided by 360. And really all you need to do is multiply that by 8. Don't multiply it by the pi.
Okay. Oh yeah, I got 2.1.
Right, so it'd be like 2.1 pi.
Okay.
And remember, so like say this was 4 centimeters or whatever, or 4 feet, then if the circumference was feet, just a unit for length will also be feet.
Okay, so I need to put feet instead of pi.
No, pi goes as well, because remember all the pi is there for is like 2.1 times 3.14. Remember, pi is just a number, but the feet's just telling me what it is we're measuring in. So you were measuring in feet, not miles or not centimeters or something like that. That's just a kind of our reference on how far it really is.
Okay.
And so if you're looking for more of the, like, okay, well, can we come up with a formula? So the formula is like the length of whatever arc, right? So if we just say AB, the length of whatever arc is equal to the measure of AB, so the angle, over 360 times their circumference. So like this would be the formula we could use, where AB could change out to any arc we're talking about.
Okay, I get it now.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.